Today I figured I would do a get ready with me while also showing you some new clean beauty products that have recently launched. As you saw from the title, that includes some new products from KYPRIS. It is their shimmer palette right here, and then also their illuminating eye serum and primer right here. And then I'm also going to be just doing a get ready with me, doing some other, of course, using other clean beauty products, and then I'm also going to be featuring one of the new eyeliners from Fitglow Beauty. And I actually do have all three. Integrity Botanicals was really kind to send me these new launches. So they sent me these KYPRIS products along with all three of the new Fitglow Beauty eyeliners. So yeah, I'll definitely do like a whole dedicated video about the eyeliners, but I will be demoing one of those eyeliners for today's makeup. So let's just go ahead and get right into this. So before we get into the makeup, I'm gonna go ahead and use this new product from KYPRIS, their Illuminating Eye Serum and Primer. Wow, I did not realize how pricey this was, but it doesn't surprise me because KYPRIS is a very luxurious brand. It's a very high-end brand when it comes to the price point, and I do think that they have some nice products. But this says, luminous care for kind eyes. Illuminating Eye Serum and Primer is a technology-forward featherweight emulsion that creates the optical illusion of a brightened eye area. It's formulated with sustainably and ethically sourced mica and shea, colloidal platinum peptides, and ocean extracts to hydrate, soothe, smooth, and brighten the appearance of the delicate skin around your eyes. It says apply daily for a more rested appearance and as desired for a smooth canvas pre-makeup application. All right, so serum that's supposed to make your eyes look more brightened, and I do kind of have like somewhat like purpley under eyes. I just kind of want to like get up close so you guys can see what my under eyes look like. They're kind of purple and blue. I don't even know. I feel like I get enough sleep, but they still just look like that. I think it might just be just who I am, you know? This is kind of what it looks like. It comes out looking like this white type of like cream. Ooh, sorry, it's not focusing. It looks kind of like this white cream. And then once you apply it, I mean, it definitely kind of has like a serum feeling to it. And actually, I did test this out 2 times before. I'm using it right now. And it seemed more serum-like then. I think I probably didn't really shake it up enough before or something because it's actually looking more white than it did the other 2 times that I applied it. But it's not like looking white on the skin once you like blend it all in or anything. But yeah, last time I applied it, it looked more like almost oily. Not oily, but like it just kind of looked very like clear right away when I was applying it pretty much. Anyway, it blends in nicely. I honestly don't think that it's making my under eyes look much brighter. Yeah, it definitely feels like my under eyes are a little bit more hydrated, but don't necessarily think that it's making them look brightened. I just want to take a little bit more. And I'm also just gonna kind of put it on the eyelids as well. Oops. Just kind of take it up onto the eyelids as well. I don't know if you're supposed to do this with eye creams or not, but I don't see why not. I probably applied way more than I needed to, but I guess I just kind of wanted to show you guys what it looks like. As you can see, it's looking white there when it's not blended in. There is it applied. I don't know, you guys tell me if you think my under eyes look more brightened. Honestly, I can't really tell if it looks more brightened or not. I mean, maybe. Now let's go ahead and move on to foundation. So for foundation, I'm gonna use the RMS Uncover Up Cream Foundation. I haven't used this foundation for so long, and to be honest, I just haven't like been wearing makeup a whole lot as I've been like on my acne journey. And I don't know if you guys can tell, you probably think I still have a lot of acne, but actually most of what you're seeing on my skin is leftover hyperpigmentation or acne marks. So that's what that is. But now that I don't have as many blemishes, I feel like I might want to start playing with makeup a little bit more. So I'm just gonna dot this all over my face. And if you're curious, I have this in the shade 22. And I find that the shade works quite well for me. Now this is a pretty thick foundation, so I definitely feel like you gotta go in with a sponge, at least in my opinion, because otherwise I feel like it'll just look heavy and cakey. But yeah, this is definitely gonna give you, I feel like, a medium to possibly full coverage. I actually did a whole review and I did a whole review video on this. I believe I did like a whole wear test on it a while back, specifically for acne prone skin, or just showing you what it's like on my skin type. If you do want to see like my whole review on this, you can definitely check that out. I'll put a card up here, or you can just search RMS Beauty Uncover Up Foundation Danny Smith on YouTube and it should come up. I feel like I have about a medium coverage right now. I feel like it's kind of hard to cover up my hyperpigmentation sometimes just because some of those marks are pretty dark, but I feel like this did a good job. I don't think I'm really gonna build up the coverage a lot more just because I really don't want it to look heavy. I don't want to like overdo it with that. So then I'm gonna go ahead and use the Uncover Up in the shade 22. This is just a regular like concealer, and I haven't used this in a while either, but I really do like this concealer. It just looks so natural under the eyes, and you can use this for like spot concealing as well, or wherever really, like all over your face. But yeah, I really like this one. It's really nice and seamless, and I find that applying this with my fingers works the best. So I'm just gonna apply it with my fingers, and then I think I'll just kind of go over it with a sponge afterwards just to make sure that it's all blended out. Now I just kind of want to do my brows, so I'm going to use the Plume brow pencil. This is, I forgot exactly what it's called. I think it's their Nourish and Define. Yeah, Nourish and Define brow pencil. I have this in the shade Ashy Daybreak. Also, I should mention all the products that I'm using in this video you can get at Integrity Botanicals. This video isn't sponsored by them or anything like that, but I just figured to make it easier, everything that I'll use in this video you can find there just to make it easier rather than having all these from different places. Obviously you can get them from other places as well, but just thought that would make it nice and easy. Plus, Terry from Integrity Botanicals was so kind to send me some new clean beauty launches. So of course I want to give them a shout out. Plus, Integrity Botanicals is one of my favorite places to shop for clean beauty anyway. Now I'm just gonna set my face a little bit, not a whole lot, I guess, just in some areas, but I'm gonna use the 100% pure bamboo blur powder. I'm just gonna kind of apply it under my eyes, T-zone, around my nose, and on the chin as well. Now I'm going to warm up the face a bit. I'm going to use the Vapor Beauty. This is their bronzing powder in the shade Eclipse. So I'm just going to kind of warm up the face. This is such a beautiful bronzer. It has like a little bit of a shimmer to it. It's not going to look like chunks of glitter on your skin, but it just gives a really pretty like luminous sheen. And I just think it's super pretty. Sometimes I prefer bronzers that give a little bit of a luminosity rather than just matte bronzers. Those are nice, but sometimes I just like having that extra little bit of luminosity. I'm just kind of warming up the face, not being super precise with it. I'm also going to take the same bronzer and just apply this to the crease just to kind of create a transition shade for the eyeshadow. And all of the shades in the KYPRIS Shimmer Palette are, of course, shimmers, like the name of the palette says. So now I'm gonna hop on into this shimmer palette. So here it is again. We have 5 colors to choose from. We have this really pretty, like, the shade Starlight is this really pretty like sage green with a shimmer. Diamond Fire, which is a really pretty just white with a shimmer. Then we have Sun Glitter, which is a light pink shimmer. We have Gold Aura, which is a gold shimmer. And we have Shadow Alchemy, which is a brown shimmer. I'm gonna take the shade Shadow Alchemy, which is this brown shade, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this to the crease. I know normally people don't really apply shimmer shades to the crease, but well, oh well, I'm just gonna do it anyway. I'm just gonna apply this to the crease and kind of around the outer area of the eye. I am going to take the same shade, the same brown shade, and apply it to my lower lash line. Now I just want to kind of deepen this up a little bit, so I'm going to take the same brown shade again onto the outer corners. I guess I'm going to go for this gold shade right here, which is Gold Aura, and I'm just going to apply this all over the lid. Also, a little bit about this eyeshadow palette. So it says active illumination gifted from the sun's travels across the aethers, crushed crystals laced with hyaluronic acid, sustainably sourced mica and shea, antioxidants, and nature's most vibrant shimmer for your eyelids and skin. So it says lovingly apply to your eyelids and any skin you would like to highlight with the shimmer of the sun. These are very pretty, very shimmery. I don't know, I feel like there is a bit of fallout, or it's looking a little bit messy, but that might also just be because I'm not a makeup artist and I'm definitely not a professional when it comes to applying eyeshadow, as you can probably tell. Anyway, I'm just gonna go in with a cleaner crease brush and just kind of make sure this is all blended out really nicely. I feel like it's not coming across on camera as pretty as it is in person. Definitely didn't do the best job applying it to the lower lash line here. It looks a little bit messy there. I think I'm gonna go back in with the RMS concealer and just kind of clean that under eye area up a little bit. Now I'm gonna go in with the white shade, which is called Diamond Fire, so the shade right here, and I'm gonna use this for an inner corner highlight. You can use these on your face as well. You can use these as highlighters. It doesn't just have to be for eyeshadow. So now I'm going to apply some blush. I'm going to use the Alima Pure Luminous Shimmer Blush in the shade Freja. I haven't used this blush in so long. I don't know why. It's such a gorgeous blush, but honestly, it's just because I haven't been wearing makeup as much recently. So this is a really, really gorgeous, gorgeous blush. This does have a little bit of a shimmer to it, but it just gives such a pretty luminosity to the skin. Also, this color is so pretty. It's like a peachy, yeah, very much like a peachy blush. So pretty, great for spring and summer. So gorgeous. Now let's go ahead and test out this new eyeliner from Fitglow Beauty. I'm gonna use the bronze shade, which is like it sounds, a bronze shade. For some reason I was thinking it might have like shimmer in it, but there is what that looks like, and this is what the pencil looks like. Also, it does have another side which has a brush, so it looks like that would be great for kind of smudging an eyeliner out if you wanted to do that, if you wanted to do like a smoky eyeliner. So it does come in 3 shades. It comes in bronze, mulberry, and starlight. Bronze is described as a bronze shade, mulberry is described as a bronzed plum, and starlight is described as a graphite. And it says this long-wearing smudge-proof eyeliner formula is made with natural vegan ingredients including meadow foam, mango, and cloudberry seed oils. Take your look from a simple line to a soft smoky eyeshadow by blending with the buffing brush. Okay, and it says it's 100% vegan. Because I feel like I'm so bad at applying eyeliner. I rarely even wear eyeliner. I always feel like I have to do this to apply eyeliner, but I know people say not to do that. But whatever, I'm just gonna do it anyway. All right, and then why not? I'm gonna smudge it out a little bit with that buffing brush that it comes with. I'm just gonna apply my mascara first, and then I will be right back. I'm gonna use the Plume eyelash curler. I really like this eyelash curler. And I'm gonna use the Fitglow Beauty mascara. All right, so now I'm gonna use the Fitglow Beauty. This is their Illumi Firm in the shade Joy, which is this really pretty, like rose gold kind of peachy shade. And I'm gonna take this and kind of use it like a blush topper slash highlighter. but it's really, really pretty, and I feel like it goes well with the blush that I used, the Alima Pure blush that I used. Oop, I had an eyelash. So then, for highlighter, I'm gonna use the RMS Beauty Magic Luminizer, and I haven't used this in so long. So nice, such a beautiful, beautiful highlighter. I really enjoy this. I'm just gonna apply that pretty close to where I just applied that Lumi Firm, but a little bit above it. And then I'm also gonna apply this on the bridge of my nose. And the tip of my nose. And then I'll also apply this to the brow bone. For the lips, I'm gonna use the Lily Lolo lip liner in the shade Soft Nude. And I'm just gonna fill in my lips with this. So align my lips with this, but then also fill them in. My lips are dry. I really should have applied like a lip balm before this, but oh well. And I'm going to top that with the Fitglow Beauty Lip Color Serum in the shade Beach Glow, which is a really pretty like bronzy nude shade, I guess. Alrighty, so this is the completed look. I think it came together really nicely. I like it. Let me know what you guys think. What do you think of these new KYPRIS products? What do you think of the shimmer palette? I barely moved it and it just like fell apart. It's a $72 eyeshadow palette. So, ooh, I would really wish that would stay together. I pretty much just picked it up and it like fell apart. Anyway, so is this a palette that you guys think you would use? Is it one that you would be interested in? I do think that these shades are really pretty. I don't know if I would purchase it myself for $72 because it is super pricey unless it was like really different. And if you really like shimmer shades, then this might be one that you would be interested in. But yeah, that's just my personal opinion, but I do think that these are really pretty. I do want to do a look with this really pretty like sage green shimmer shade. It looks so pretty. You just like swatch that for you. Like that shade looks so pretty. I feel like that would be a great shade for spring and summer. Just so pretty. Also, what do you guys think of the Fitglow Beauty eyeliners? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm not so sure how I feel about this KYPRIS product. I mean, it's $120. I personally don't think I could get myself to purchase an eye serum for that expensive. I mean, there is one from Tata Harper though. Their Illuminating eye, like their eye cream that I actually really wanted to get, but I actually didn't. I don't even know if that one is like $100. I think it might be though, but it's really expensive and I was very interested in trying that because I tried a sample of it and it definitely like immediately brightened your under eyes once you applied it. So I thought that was really cool. It'd be great for like daytime use, but I still didn't buy that one, even though I would be interested in getting that one. I mean, the packaging is so beautiful. Let me know what you guys think. Also, I will have everything that I talked about linked in the description box below. Also, I should mention that at Integrity Botanicals, you can get 15% off with the code Routine Beauty. I'll have the link to the Integrity Botanicals website and that discount code in the description box below. That discount code does not work for prestige brands, and one of those prestige brands is KYPRIS Beauty, but you can use that code on any of the other products that I talked about today. You can use it on those Fitglow Beauty eyeliners, but just the prestige brands like Josh Rosebrook, KYPRIS, and some other ones are ones that you can't use that code on, but everything else you can use that code on, so 15% off with the code Routine Beauty. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you all for my next video. Bye, guys.